Have you noticed that your husband has been avoiding you lately? This can be a confusing and painful experience, leaving you wondering what's going wrong. While every relationship has ups and downs, there are often underlying reasons for this type of behavior. In this video, we'll explore some sad but real reasons why your husband might be avoiding you and what you can do about it. Remember, understanding is the first step toward healing. One possible reason your husband is avoiding you could be that he's feeling overwhelmed with stress or personal issues. Whether it's work pressure, financial problems, or other personal struggles, he might withdraw because he doesn't know how to express his feelings or ask for help. Sometimes, men avoid their partners not because of the relationship itself, but because they're dealing with their own inner battles. Another reason could be that there's unresolved tension or conflict between you two. Maybe there's been an argument or a lingering issue that hasn't been addressed. Instead of confronting the problem, he might avoid you to escape the discomfort of dealing with it. Unfortunately, avoiding the issue only makes it grow over time. He may also be feeling unappreciated. In long-term relationships, partners sometimes take each other for granted. If your husband feels like his efforts or contributions are being overlooked, he might pull away emotionally and physically, hoping to avoid further disappointment. Emotional disconnection could be another reason. Over time, couples can drift apart if they don't actively nurture their emotional bond. If your husband feels emotionally distant, he might avoid you as a way to cope with the discomfort of that gap, unsure of how to reconnect. A lack of intimacy could be causing avoidance as well. Physical and emotional intimacy are deeply connected. If intimacy has faded in your relationship, your husband might avoid interactions that remind him of the distance between you. Addressing this openly and sensitively is important to rekindle the connection. Sometimes, avoiding behavior can come from feelings of guilt. If your husband has done something that he regrets, whether big or small, he may be avoiding you out of fear or shame. This avoidance is often a sign that he doesn't know how to address the issue and is hoping it will go away on its own. He may also be experiencing feelings of inadequacy. If your husband feels like he's not living up to expectations, whether his own or yours, he might withdraw. Men often struggle with admitting when they feel like they're falling short, leading them to avoid situations that remind them of those feelings. In some cases, your husband might be going through a period of self-reflection or change. People change over time, and sometimes that change leads to internal confusion. If he's unsure about his own needs or feelings, he might avoid close contact while he figures things out. This is a difficult time for both of you, but patience and communication can help. Lastly, it's possible that your husband is feeling unhappy in the relationship but doesn't know how to express it. Avoidance can sometimes be a way of silently communicating dissatisfaction. While this is painful, it's important to recognize the signs and have an open conversation about what's going on, so you can either work through the issues or understand the next steps for both of you. If you've noticed any of these signs, the most important thing you can do is communicate with your husband. Avoiding the issue won't make it go away, and often, it's through open and honest conversations that healing begins. Remember, relationships require effort from both sides, and it's never too late to address the challenges you're facing together. Thank you for watching. If this video helped you in any way, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more relationship advice. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.